Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your KakaoTalk account. If you open the application, you will not find any options or setting to log out from the app itself, which can be a hassle. But don't worry, I can show you how. First of all, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager setting. Click there and you will see all the apps installed on your phone. Scroll through them and find the KakaoTalk app. There you will see the storage option. When you click there, you will find the option to clear the data. When you click on the clear data option, it will then clear all the settings, accounts, databases and informations contained in the application, which means you will automatically be logged out of the account. Click on the clear and after a while, you will automatically be logged out of the KakaoTalk account. So to use the application again, you will have to go through all the process to log into the application again. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope it was useful. If you want more videos like this in future, make sure to subscribe to the channel.